Alright, here's our newest thing. Somebody gave this thing to me and it's complete as found. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to get it working. It is an antique wire recorder. It got some wire. It's got an instruction sheet which is in pretty bad shape but usable. Supplies very little information, but it does tell how to thread the thing and how to operate the controls. But the whole thing is there. Controls barely move. That one works good. Good there. Okay. But volume is frozen and the tone is frozen. Alright, well, we'll get started at it. We have to open her up. Before we even power it up, we've got to make sure there's nothing, you know, all the capacitors have to be changed. Mechanically it has to be cleaned up. There's just all kinds of little things that have to be done first. Just like doing a radio, but we're going to do it on this. We'll get this out of the way. All right. Wow. Well. Good solder job on that one. All right. 3 can capacitors definitely have to be replaced. That. Okay. Now, of course, we have no schematic of any kind whatsoever. Now, the fuse is no doubt. Let's see. The fuse is right here. I can't get to it. We've got to take the top off of it. Okay, the rubber rollers are glazed. All right, let's. It's blown. It's blown. All right. Let's see if we can see. Glasses, I can't read the damn things. Okay. Guess I did. Okay. Power on, and it's whoa. Woo. Boy, when that rectifier heats up, that current goes up, man. Those capacitors are really bad. Alright, let's get them out of there. Okay, this is all junk. Whew. You come to help? You gonna help? You sweetheart. You know what a nuisance is? You know what a nuisance is? You're a furry little nuisance. Here, come here, come here. You sit down here on my lap, okay? You can sit on my lap. Here. All right. Okay. A couple of 22s will do it. One. All right. That's two. The other one, terminals are in the way. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Now, before I go and do a lot of work on here, I'm going to check this speaker. If this speaker is open, I'm going to be a little bit hacked. Oh yeah, we're okay. So the speaker's good. All right, so I can go ahead and put these in. Okay. That takes care of those two electrolytics. Okay. Now, okay, we had a Okay, the 350 is the square, which is the red one. Okay, that's this one here. Okay. Okay, now that. Okay. What do I got? Let me get this. Put that there. Okay. 350. Okay, so I got to get that on there. Okay, we got a 003, which has been replaced, so that one's going to be okay. Okay, and then that. Okay, those capacitors are okay. So, and then that one there, someone has replaced. I'm going to measure it anyway. It's a small value. See, some of these capacitors have already been replaced. Somebody's worked on this thing. Okay, but I'm going to measure that capacitor anyway. Because if it leaks, that'll stop everything from going. It's fine. It's no trouble. Just take. Come up here again. You here to help, or are you going to be a nuisance? Let me get right here. Okay. Now I got to get this. Has to go to ground. Yep. Okay. All right, that takes care of that. All right, we'll go right there. Alright, and there's nothing else around there, so I'm just going to put it right there. To ground. Alright, that's going to be hot, so I'm not going to touch it. Good enough. Okay. Alright, that takes care of those. Okay, that's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 of them done. Okay, this one here we're finished with. Okay, now the last one is a 200. What was the one? Okay. Okay, that one is ground right there. Okay, so that I can just, the other one to the bottom. So it would be better to solder the bottom one and then run the wire, because I already have a yellow wire on there. And I can just run that to the other terminal. What you meowing about, baby? What you meowing about? I know, baby. I'm busy right now. We've got two problems here. Number one is the tone control, and number two is the volume control and on-off switch. Oh, cat. Oh, you kitty. Yes, I know you want to be up here. Oh, okay. All right, we're going to have to take this out of here. Very well there. Oh no. Oh, they have another nut underneath the damn panel. I was hoping I wouldn't have to take the panel off, but it's alright. Whole damn thing has to come apart. See, I can get, well, maybe. I might be able to get to those. That'll be okay. Now the others I would like to unsolder so I can get them back on there again. Go do it. Okay. That takes care of that one. Now we'll get the same nightmare here. I'm going to try to save this one. Okay, now this one has got the same problem. It sort of turns, but that's all. I don't know if I put a little bit of spray on it, maybe. Don't know. I gotta have something that'll go down into the. Do. Okay. This is almost impossible to get apart without screwing it up. Okay, we'll try it. Okay, so that one's grounded. Oh, that's coming apart okay. All right. Okay. This thing is giving trouble. Okay, there we go. Okay. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill that up with spray and then work it. Okay. Leaks out the bottom somehow. She doesn't like the smell of this stuff. Let's call it working. There you go. Okay. Okay, now. Okay. All right, now this one here. Okay, that was darn good. That one is good. Okay, so now that recaps the whole thing, and it's got the bad volume control and tone control fixed. So we got to next take care. First, I'm going to turn it on and see what happens. For now, we'll leave it the way it is. Okay? The thing we want to do is see what happens when we turn it on. Now I'm going to watch the watt meter over here, and when the power comes up, then we'll see how much wattage it's pulling, because it should pull very little. Alright. Okay, pulling about 20 watts right now. just filaments. All right. Rectifier's heating up. 30. Okay, 40 watts. Okay, so that looks good. All right, now let's see if we can make the motor run. Okay. Got it. See, this thing's supposed to go up and down freely, and it's not. Okay, so we'll get some oil. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look how that goes. That's perfect. That's going to work. All right. Now, if we start it all up again. See, now it's feeding perfectly. That looks good. All right. Next, I want to look at that head, the recording head and the playback head, and see what it looks like. Okay. It looks good. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and load some wire onto it and see what it does. I'm going to go ahead and close it up. Okay, here's a roll of wire that came with it. Oh no, it says Christmas songs. Oh girl. Oh, this is going to be awful. Alright. I am going to assume that the wire goes like that. Okay, then it says go through the dealie. Okay, goes around here. Press this, and that holds it. All right, let's get it going again. All right.
I didn't mean that. I hope you don't touch the last thing.
The cat took off. Yeah, she didn't know what all that screeching was. Okay, let's see what the next one is. What was that, baby? What was that noise? Okay, here's another one. This one doesn't have a label on it. Okay, it didn't take.
There's a mellow moon above. Are you waiting for a shout? Yes, this is love. You just can't sit in a corner wearing a great big frown. Better wise up, Mr. Horner, or your dream house will come tumbling down. Jack, be nimble, Jack, be quick. Love is like a candlestick. It's part of the bird.
Oh boy. All right. Okay, there's one more here. Oh, this one's got a leader on it.
About the best sister-in-law that I ever had.
Oh,
And I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Really?
And you
What goes with
wouldn't
it?
kiss me there a while ago.
What goes with it?
The mistletoe, but I got the mistletoe. I got the kiss without the mistletoe. And what goes with
You should
it?
be proud.
I am proud. I'm proud to have a sister-in-law like
I thought you were.
Lousy, lousy, lousy. All right, let's see. Okay. All right, let me get a blank piece of wire and we'll see if it records. Okay, here we have our little rinky-dink microphone, and I got a roll of wire here. Oh no, it says baby. We'll have to see what the heck's on here. Okay, let's see.
National Bank invites you, Mr. Houston, to inspect these dramatic new facilities of the future, available to you now. Through the giant glass doors, you enter a brand new concept in banking design, speaking more eloquently than ever before. The First City National wants privilege and hospitality. The cheerful space.
Okay, that was kind of hokey poke. All right, I got some more wire. Let me go get some more wires. Okay, to get the microphone, got the microphone here, and it is dead. It's not putting out any signal at all. So we're going to have to put a different microphone. Okay, well, there was a combination of shorts in the microphone cable. Just, that's all it was, stopping it. Now, let's turn it over. Okay. Now, we turn the juice on. Now we get little flickers there. Hello, hello, hello when we talk. I think it should probably be more than that, but we'll try it. Okay? Alright. Hello, hello. That's got it. Okay, here goes. Alright, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Seeing if it records. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. Alright, we're not getting anything. Alright, we'll have to go and dig through it a little bit more. Alright, well, after we got the microphone all straightened out. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's go again. All right. Record. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Here is no effect for hello. Here. 3. Hello, hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Here is no effect for here. No effect. Here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
All right. All right. So the whole damn thing's working. Well, there it is. Completely restored mechanically. Cosmetically, we're just going to wipe it up a little bit, and then that's going to do it. Something from back in the 40s. That's interesting. Okay. And if we hook this onto here, back. I think I just erased it.
3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1.
Okay, let's see.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Hello, testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello, hello. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello, hello.
Okay, I'm just going to leave it right like that. That'll stay on there. Okay, and to turn it off, we go like that. Okay, and then we have the microphone ready to go. Okay, that goes in the pouch. Okay, and the instruction sheet. Okay. Oh, the cord goes in there. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, let's go into there. Okay, that's it. Isn't that neat? Antique wire recorder.